Come bring your brother. Let's go. Oh my god.
Can you just back up, bro?
So you have to stop now. You're gonna learn.
Maybe say sit.
No, it's not. It's...